Hey, what's up? And welcome back to the channel. Today's video is made together with Wondershare eDrawMind, and we're going to dive into how you can use this awesome tool to build a study framework that help you stay organized and crush your exam. Now, if you ever found yourself overwhelmed with all these topics you need to cover or unsure where to start when it comes to studying, this video is just for you. We will go step by step on how to use eDrawMind to create a solid study plan that's simple, visual, and super effective. Big shout out to eDrawMind for being in this video and helping students like you stay on top of their studies. But why do you need to have a study framework? Let's start with why having a structured study framework is a total game changer. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost in all the material you need to cover, and you might procrastinate to cram everything the night before the exam. But when you have a framework, it helps you first break down large topics into manageable chunks, 2 track your progress easily, 3 stay motivated because you can't see what's left to cover. That's why I'm excited to show you how Wondershare eDrawMind can help. It's a mind mapping tool that allows you to visualize your study plan, making complex subjects feels more manageable and less intimidating. For those who are new to eDrawMind, it's a mind mapping tool designed for visual thinkers like us. Instead of staring at a boring to-do list or feeling overwhelmed by random notes, eDrawMind helps you map out your thoughts and study goals in a more structured visual ways. Here are a few things you can do with eDrawMind. First, start with templates to speed up your planning process. 2. Use collapsible branches to keep your mind map clean and organized. 3. Link resources like PDFs or lecture slides directly to your study plan. Whether you're preparing for an exam or working on a big project, eDrawMind helps you break down everything so it doesn't feel so overwhelming. And now, let's see how to actually use it. Alright, so start by opening up eDrawMind and start building your study framework. I'll walk you through it and you can follow along with your own subject. Let's go with Psychology 101 for this example, but feel free to use your own course or topic. First, start with the central idea. Once you're inside eDrawMind, you'll see a blank canvas. Type your main subject line in the center. So for me, I'll type Psychology 101. This will be your main idea, and all your subtopics will branch out from here. 2. Break it down into major topics. Now, let's break down the big chunks. For psychology, that might be behavior psychology, cognitive development, and neuroscience. Add a branch for each major section of your course. And under each major topic, break it down further. For example, under cognitive development, you might have Piaget's stages of development and theories of intelligence. Doing this helps you break large subjects into smaller, more manageable pieces. And here's a tip. Use eDrawMind's color coding feature label each section by priority or difficulty. That way you can quickly see which areas might need more focus. And one of my favorite features is that you can add notes or even attach your study materials, like PDFs or links to video lectures. And you can do that right into each note. This makes it super easy to refer back to for your resources without having to dig through a bunch of folders. Now for the magic touch. eDrawMind lets you set deadline for each topic. You can add a study schedule, assigning specific days to focus on certain areas, which helps you to stay on track and avoid cramming. And once your framework is set, make sure to review and adjust it regularly. Every week, take a few minutes to review your mind map. Are you staying on track? Do a certain topic need more attention than you originally planned? And you can also collapse branches for topics you've mastered, keeping your map clean and focused on what's left. As you complete topics, check them off. It's super motivating to see the map shrink as you finish each section. And before we wrap up, here are a few tips to help you maximize your experience with eDrawMind. Keep it simple, don't overcomplicate your map. Start with the basics and build on it as needed. and make a habit of reviewing your mind map at the end of each week. It will help you stay organized and reduce stress closer to exams. And 3, collaborate with classmates. eDraw Mind allows for collaboration, so if you're studying with a group, you can share your mind maps and work together on a shared study plan. And that's it. eDraw Mind is an incredible tool made by Wondershare to help you visually organize your study plans. And yeah, I can't recommend it enough. I recommended it on my Instagram as well and TikTok. If you want to check out it for yourself, the link to download eDraw Mind is in the description below. Huge thanks to Wondershare eDraw Mind for sponsoring this video. And if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and yeah, hit the bell for more productivity. Thanks you for watching, and yeah, now I have to study, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.